Greetings of peace, happiness, magic, health, and all the goodness of life and beyond. Welcome once again to the Goddess Temple Palace with I being the Queen Mother Goddess, Opulence, Ra, High Priestess of the Goddess Temple Palace, welcoming you again to grab that pillow I gave you years ago. And if you don't have that, one that you have at your fingertips or in your mind, and take off your shoes as you enter into the place where goddesses dwell. As I open the portal to the goddess Nith, who is of the KHemetic Egyptian vibration. She has been presenting herself to me quite a bit, but until the other day did I recognize the magnitude of who she is to a higher degree and why she has been showing herself in her form of the spider and the spider web. We are now in the fall season, and spiders tend to appear more now than other times in the year. Nith, the spinner of destiny. Nith the Great, the Divine Mother, Lady of the country of Esna, the Great Cow, the Fashioner of Ra. Greater is her name than all the goddesses and gods, the Neteret and the Interu. All life belongs to her. Life and death are under her surveillance. The earth is under her order. See she, the cobra, who rose in none, the living ancestors, the sovereign. The length of the earth is under her orders. She who came solemnly, she who created the million, she who has no equal, not one god or goddess is without her in form. She who knows that which came forth before, she who was at the beginning, the primordial one, eldest of the primordial gods. She who made that which is, she who created that which exists. She who rises in the primordial waters. She who fills heaven and earth with her beauty. The mother of millions, the mother of heaven. She who supplies earth with good grain, who contains in herself her sun as a light illuminating the two lands. Nith, the great lady of sighs. To Nith, who rose in Nun while the earth was in darkness. To Nith, the living ancestors who took origin in Nun, before the creation of earth and the rising of heaven. To Nith, the creatress, the one who was in the beginning, the mother of the primordial time, she who created her own birth. To Nith, who was at the origin and created those who are on high and those who are below. To Nith, the mysteries who made the beings, all created, and that which is by her existence. To Nith, who made eternity, whose mystery is in her form. She created. To Nith in all her names, to Nith in all her forms, to Nith in all her mysteries. This is a offering from ancient KHemetic inscriptions at the temple of Saas, with a few variations in expressions. She has opened to me the spider woman of many cultures, of which you will hear more of from me in the future in many different forms. Take time, if you can, to visit with a spider at this time. And if you get the blessed opportunity to watch how they weave their webs, the delicacy, the intricacy, the determination of the tiniest who creates massive, magical webs. The ones that have captured my attention are the ones that form the star on the outside, and then within is a circle with many, many circles contained within the circle, continuum of life. Time is now for you to appreciate this gift of nature, Gaia, Mother Earth. As always, thank you for coming. And may you enjoy you in every moment. Namaste, Hotapu. Peace and love dwells within you.